perhaps I should explain myself. I'm working on large scale paintings, slash, you could argue that they're collages, but they're only being collaged with themselves in additional raw canvas. The return to painting has been very rewarding and eye opening in the sense that it's truly what I'm supposed to be doing at this point in time and in general. It's the outlet that my creative expression speaks through most truthfully and honestly. Up until this point in graduate school, I've spent my time exploring so many different materials and ways those materials work and interact. It wasn't until the end of the last semester that I had a hard realization that my studio practice was no longer joyful. It didn't feel good anymore. And once that starts, then you know something is off track. Yes, I'm painting again, but I'm painting with a different thought in mind and a different tactic than I've never done before. And I'm using a sewing machine. Now, before I came to graduate school, I was dabbling in the idea of painting, ripping apart and sewing back together. I did that once. And then when I got here, I made one painting kind of along the same lines. But then it was kind of like a dead end, and then I started exploring the fabric paintings on the wall. The important part about these guys is that they already have all the pieces that they need in order to work. It's like you already have all the answers to all the questions you have inside of yourself. I'm not mixing paintings together. They are just different reorientations of themselves, and I think that's what makes it really special. I'm really excited about these. All of that being said, crit is in a week, and I really need to not look at them anymore. I have been working on assembling these super tiny frames of scrap pieces from the big guys. That's what I'm doing here. So I'm repurposing every single scrap.
Yeah. So is this like just part of what you're planning for the whole year? Is this kind of like...
I have no idea. I mean, I'd like to stick to painting.
Yeah.
And it's kind of hard to imagine like what's next
Right.
at this point, because this is crazy.
Yeah.
So we'll see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with painting and sewing in some form.
Yeah, that's amazing.
So much fun.
You've mixed it in a way, I don't know, because sometimes, you know, when there's an overlay of materials or processes in the painting, I don't know, like I feel like it's almost a distraction sometimes, but yours seems to work in perfect sync. Like, it's very nice.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
That's insane. And then if you scroll down to the bottom, in this section, oh look, there I am again in my studio. There I am in my little studio. Who would have thunk? This is insane to me. But anyways, I have crit today. It's Friday. I have crit at 4. And this is the spot. Cool, right? Love that.
You can't really get the scope though.